Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to add HTML code to a WordPress post or page. Depending on the HTML editor you use, the steps relate closely to each other but look just a bit different. Let's start with the default WordPress block editor. All you need to do is click to add a new block, search for the custom HTML block, and paste your code right inside it. If you are running the older WordPress Classic editor instead, just look at the top right of your main text box. Switch from the Visual tab over to the Text tab, and you can type or paste your raw HTML straight into the content area. Finally, for those of you building your site with Elementor, it is just as easy. Grab the specific HTML element from your left-hand sidebar, drag and drop it wherever you want it on your page, and paste your code directly into the widget settings. The process is almost identical if you are using Divi or WP Bakery. Just look for their specific code modules. That is it for this one. If this helped you out, please hit that like button, subscribe for more quick software and tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you want to see how this works in a different page builder. See you in the next one.